innovation and creativity. A warm welcome to our dear correspondent, Mr. Prashanti, Mr. Raghunath Rai, the Vice President of PTA, Mr. Lance Lewis, the member of PTA, Mr. Grace Monica, the supervisor, PTA members, my dear teaching staff, non-teaching staff, and my dear lovely students. With the integration of the Credo Lab, learning becomes both structured and joyful, enabling children to build strong foundational skills through hands-on experiences. This approach enhances clarity, improves retention, and nurtures independent thinking. We are grateful to the school management for providing this great opportunity to learn and to grow. Now I request our dignitaries, our guests, together with the students, to inaugurate this Credo Lab by cutting the ribbon, symbolizing the opening of doors to imagination, exploration, and endless possibilities for our young minds.
They come with smiles, sometimes a tear. Now they shine with joy and cheer. Clap your hands and shout hooray. Jump up high and touch the sky. Our little stars are ready to fly. Before we begin our program, let us invoke God's blessings through our prayer song. Start. ಹಾಡುಂದ ಹಾಡುವೆ ದೇವಾ ನಿನ್ನ ನಾಮ ಸ್ಮರಣೆಯನ್ನು ನಾನಿಂದು ಮಾಡುವೆ ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ಭಜಿಸುವೆ ದೇವಾ ಹಾಡುಂದ ಹಾಡುವೆ ದೇವಾ ಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಶಾಂತಿಯ ಶಾಂತಿಯ ಬಯಸಿನ ಬಂದೆನು ಜೀವ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯ ಹುಡುಕುತ್ತಾ ನಿಂತೆನು ನಿನ್ನ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡುವೆನು ಶರಣೆಂದು ಬೇಡುವೆನು ನಿನ್ನ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡುವೆನು ಶರಣೆಂದು ಬೇಡುವೆನು ದೇವಾ ದೇವಾ ಹಾಡಲ್ಲ ಹಾಡುವೆ ದೇವಾ ನಿನ್ನ ನಾಮ ಸ್ಮರಣೆಯನ್ನು ನಾನಿಂದು ಮಾಡುವೆ ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ಭಜಿಸುವೆ ದೇವಾ ಹಾಡಲ್ಲ ಹಾಡುವೆ ದೇವಾ ಹಾಡಲ್ಲ ಹಾಡುವೆ ದೇವಾ.
Good morning, everyone. As a gardener rejoices when a carefully nurtured seed blossoms into the fruitful tree, today we rejoice as we see our little ones of UKG bloom and step forward to a new heights. This is a day of joy pride and gratitude as we celebrate the graduation of our tiny tots. Lovingly guided and shaped by the tireless efforts and dedication of our teachers. On behalf of the management, I extend a heartfelt and warm welcome to all our esteemed guests, dear parents, teachers, and our loved children. We are delighted to have you all here to share in this joyful celebration. It is my proud privilege to welcome our President, Sister Prashanti, correspondent of Bethany Institution, Puttur. She is a beacon of inspiring leadership with a heart that understands children deeply. Her guidance has led our institutions to greater heights. Dear sister, we warmly welcome you. I request Mrs. Anupama to kindly present a floral welcome. We have honored to have Vice President, Mr. Raghunath Rai, a humble and visionary leader. Sir, your constant support and encouragement have been a great strength to our institution. We warmly welcome you, sir. I request Mrs. Lavina present a flower as a token of our appreciation. It is a pleasure to welcome our chief guest, Mr. Lance de Souza, our proud parent and inspiration to many, and an active PTA member. Your dedication and commitment towards the well-being of our children are truly admirable. We are honored by your presence. I request Mrs. Jency to present a flower as a token of love. With great respect, I welcome our headmistress, Sister Anita Tracy, our guiding light of wisdom, compassion, and dedication. Her nurturing care continues to shape the lives of our young learners. We are blessed to have you with us, dear Sister Anita Tracy. I request Mrs. Nirmala to present a flower as a gesture of respect. Dear parents, your trust and cooperation have played a vital role in the growth and development of our children. Today is as much as your celebration as it is theirs. We warmly welcome you to cherish this proud and memorable moment. Oh, my gosh, guys, listen. It's time to celebrate you, the superstars of today. You have made it to the graduation day, and we are so proud of you. You worked hard. You played smart. We love you. Listen, we love you. And now you are moving up. Welcome, little graduates.
Claps go.
Finally, I extend a special word of appreciation and welcome to our dedicated teachers whose love, patience, and commitment have made this day possible. Your efforts in shaping these young minds are truly priceless. Once again, I warmly welcome each one of you gathered here. Let us come together to celebrate these beautiful milestones with joy, pride, and gratitude. May this day remain a cherished memory in our hearts. So once again, thank and welcome every one of you.
Claps go. Thank you, dear sister, for your warm and heartfelt welcome. We are delighted to welcome you too. I request Shilpa ma'am to offer a flower to our supervisor program by lighting the ceremonial diya placed in the floating glassware.
Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Mritam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Asatoma Sadgamaya Jyotirgamaya
Thank you everyone for your noble act. Our LKGA kids are ready here to jump and dance. Let's cheer for them as they light up the stage.
Roses are red and violets are blue. Honey is sweet, but not as sweet as you. Roses are red and violets are blue. Ka-di-da-di-mud, ka-di-da-di-mud. Dum-di-da-di-da, dum-di-da-di-da, dum-di-da-di-da. Dum-di-da-di-da, dum-di-da-di-da, dum-di-da-di-da.
Come pick my roses.
ಸೊಂಟದಂತೆ ಕೂರೋದೆ ಇಬ್ಬನಿ ಖುಷಿ ಹೂವಿಗೂ ಮನಗಳ ಕೆಣಕೋ ಖುಷಿ ಮನಕ್ಕೂ ರೆಕ್ಕೆಗಳ ಕಂಡರೆ ಖುಷಿ
ಮೋಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಯುವುದೇ ಬೆಟ್ಟದ ಖುಷಿ ತೀರಕ್ಕೋ ಅಲೆಗಳ ಅಟ್ಟುವ ಖುಷಿ ಜಲಕ್ಕೋ ಜಾರೋ ಬಂಡೆ ಆಡೋದೇ ಖುಷಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೇನ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ
ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ
ನಮ್ಮ ಜಾಣ್ಮೆ ಆಯ್ಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ
Sing and dance, 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 all of you. Life is sweet, sweet like a honeydew. ಬಿಂದು ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಸುತ್ತೋ ಖುಷಿ
ದಟ್ಟ ಮೇಘಕ್ಕೆ ತೇಲೋ ಖುಷಿ
ತುಂಟ ನದಿಗೆ ಓಡೋ ಖುಷಿ
ಉಂಡ ಗಾಳಿಗೆ ಅಲೆಯೋ ಖುಷಿ
दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा चांद तारों को छूने की आशा आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा चांद तारों को छूने की आशा आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा महक जाऊं मैं आज तो ऐसे फूल बगिया में महके हैं जैसे बादलों की मैं ओढ़ू चुनरिया झूम जाऊं मैं बन के बावरिया अपनी चोटी में बांध लूं दुनिया दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा
छोटे छोटे तमाशे जैसे पानी बताशे हाथों से ना जाने दे हाले हाले झरोके चल खोले खुशी के थोड़ी हवा तो आने दे दबे दबे पाँव जरा चले आओ ये पल मिलेंगे कहाँ ये जिंदगी है और क्या एक चुटकुला हंस दे जरा खफा खफा क्यों है तू छोटे छोटे तमाशे जैसे पानी बताशे हाथों से ना जाने दे हौले हौले झरोके चल खोले खुशी के थोड़ी हवा तो आने दे रततता थोड़ी थोड़ी जोरा जोरी थोड़ी थोड़ी चोरी शोरी कर ले भोली भाली प्यारी प्यारी यादें सारी झोली में अब भर ले पारा थोड़ी थोड़ी चोरा चोरी थोड़ी थोड़ी चोरी शोरी कर ले भोली भाली प्यारी प्यारी यादें सारी झोली में अब भर ले ये जिंदगी है और क्या एक चुटकुला हंसते जरा खफा खफा क्यों है तू छोटे छोटे तमाशे जैसे पानी बताशे हाथों से ना जाने दे हौले हौले झरोके चल खोले खुशी के थोड़ी हवा
kind to others. Our teachers have laid a strong foundation in us to face the future with confidence. We are now ready to face the challenges at primary school. Thank you for molding us. Teachers will love you. I will miss our classroom, but we are ready for class 1. Congratulations to all my fellow graduates. Thank you.
A time of pride we truly adore our young graduates by distributing their certificates. UKGA girls Aina Fatima, Aliza Fatima, Aisha Sajna, मैम तेरा भी बोल दीजिए उनका मगर सियारा मार्ता, कृष्णा श्री कृष्णा, स्माइल बेलविरा प्रियाना डिसोजा, फातिमा, फातिमा आना, फातिमा सबा मजिया, फातिमा इमशा स्वाली, फातिमती बतूल, फातिमा जुरा, हिरण्या आरजे, इलीना सारा लोबो, इलिशा सेरा लोबो, इनारा फातिमा, इस्फा फातिमा, कदीजतु रिजा, मरियम मुरा, नैनिका बी, रिजा फातिमा, सानिध्या एएम, सारा नजमा, सियोना क्रिशल मिरांडा, शनून फातिमा, Sharvi P.S., Trisha K. I request all the dignitaries to join the graduates for photo session.
Respected correspondent Sister Prashanti V.S., respected principal Sister Anita B.S., respected supervisor Monica, Sister Monica, my dear friend Lancy Anna, I will call her as Lancy Anna, respected teachers, respected parents and my dear students. This is a very special day. It is not only a special day to the children, for me also, because I am wearing this kind of dress for the first time. In my life, this is the first time. So, this is very special for me. Anyway, I am not going to take more times. I wish you all the best for the tiny students who are going to get their tiny graduation. I request, so far you have learned your ABC of your life. I request you only one thing. Learn the ABC of your life. Do you know what is the ABC of your life? I think the parents should cultivate this. ABC, avoid bad company. In your future life, you have to develop this kind of character. ABC, avoid bad company. And another ABC is always be careful in your life. This is the ABC of your life. So far in your LKG and UKG, you have studied the ABC of your life. A, B, C, D, that is the alphabets of the English. Now we have to learn the ABC. And the second thing that I am going to tell you, that to the parents and the teachers, please develop 3 D's in your child. 1, devotion. Whichever the religion you may belongs to, whether Hindu, Muslim, Christian, develop devotion in your child. Second D, duty. Duty of the nation, the personal duty, both things are very important in the future life. Third one, discipline. It is more important in the student life. So I request to the parents and the teachers develop 3 D's in the life of your students. It is especially Bethany is giving more importance to the moral education. This is one of the beautiful program that is arranged. I congratulate the correspondent, principal and the teachers for this opportunity. Thank you one and all. I wish you bright future to all the students. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. Now I request Sister Gracie Monica to kindly come on the stage for the certificate distribution. Zan, Afaz Ahmad Ashraf, Ahmad Amin, Amshir, Fahad, Fazil, Ismail Lezin, Muhammad Nezil, Muhammad Ail, Manan Murje A, Marshad, Muhammad Ayash, Muhammad Azan, Muhammad Ansil, Muhammad Aswin, Fazal, Muhammad Fazil Rashid, Muhammad Fazil Rashid, Muhammad Kisan, Muhammad Inam, Sahil Ahmad. Thank you, sister. Now it's time to do photo.
A bunch of roses together, we wish you children on this happy day. Our wishes linked up together, we wish you children on this happy day. A happy, happy day to you, dear children. May God be with you all through your life, and many blessings showers upon you on this your happy day and evermore. A bunch of roses together, we wish you children on this your happy day. Our wishes linked up together, we wish you children on this your happy day. Everyone, I am happy to stand here today as I graduate from UKG. I had wonderful time in LKG and UKG. I learned many things and made many friends. I want to thank our principal ma'am, Sister Anita Tracy and Sister Gracie for their support and guidance. I especially thank my class teacher, Madam Molly Lasrado, teaching me and encouraging me to do my best. She is very kind, made learning so much fun. Thank you to my friend for being so lovely. I will always remember our fun times together. I also thank our school for giving us happy learning environment. I am excited to move to grade 1 and have many more lovely days. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Jatin, for sharing your experience. Now I request our PTA member, Mr. Lancy Lewis, kindly distribute the certificate to our little graduates. Ahmad Fahmi bin Rashid, Arhan Umar, Ahmad Mukhtar Ali, Ayush Sonkar, Bishrul Hafi, Jatin Arun, Muhammad Affan, Maven Mascarenas, Muhammad Fazil, Muhammad Abdul Hakim, Muhammad Ayan, Muhammad Hadi, Muhammad Falil, Muhammad Shahil, Muhammad Said, Muhammad Shammas, Muhammad Shadil, Muhammad Sahal, Muhammad Shayan, Pratvik, Shafaz, Sheikh Muhammad Tasneem, Tajuddin Atif, Yasin Abdullah, thank you, sir, for honoring our children. Once again, I request all the dignitaries to join the group photo.
ಮಾನ್ಯ ಸಂಚಾಲಕರೇ, ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರೇ, ಪ್ರಿಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆರೆದಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಬಂಧದವರೇ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕೇತರ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಯವರೇ, ಮೊದಲನೆಯದಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಲು ಬಯಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಬೆತನಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ನೀವು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಇಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲು ನಾನು ಇಚ್ಛಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಉದ್ಧಾರಕ್ಕಾಗಿ, ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಉದ್ಧಾರಕ್ಕಾಗಿ, ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಭವಿಷ್ಯಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸಿದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳಲು ಬಯಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭ ಮುಂಜಾನೆ. ಇಂದಿನ ಈ ದಿನವು ನಮ್ಮ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ವಿಶೇಷ ದಿನ. ಅವರು ಮೊದಲ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯನ್ನು ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಮುಂದಿನ ಹಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆಯ ಈ ಸಂತಸದ ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ದಿನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಡುವೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಲು ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರುವುದು ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಗೌರವದ ವಿಷಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಸುಂದರ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸಿದ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಒಲವಿನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಇಂದು ನಾವು ಈ ಕೇವಲ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮುದ್ದು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಸಾಧನೆಯ ಹಬ್ಬ. ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪನ ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಬಂದ ಈ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇಂದು ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸದಿಂದ ಮುಂದಿನ ಹಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಇಡಲು ಸಿದ್ಧರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ರಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನೀವು ಈಗ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಬೀಜಗಳಂತಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪೋಷಕರ ಬೆಂಬಲದಿಂದ ನೀವು ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಯಿರಿ. ಓದಲು, ಬರೆಯಲು, ಆಡಲು, ಸ್ನೇಹ ಮಾಡಲು ಮತ್ತು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬೆಳೆಯಲು ಕಲಿಯಿರಿ. ಈ ಸುಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಸಲಹೆಗಳು. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಗುತ್ತೀರಿ. ಹೊಸತನ್ನು ಕಲಿಯಲು ಸದಾ ಸಿದ್ಧರಿರಿ. ಪ್ರಶ್ನಿಸಲು ಹೆದರಬೇಡಿ. ಹಿರಿಯರನ್ನು ಗೌರವದಿಂದ ಕಾಣಿರಿ ಮತ್ತು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕನಸುಗಳನ್ನು ಕಾಣಿರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೋಷಕರಿಗೂ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೂ ಹೆತ್ತವರ ನಮನಗಳು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿ, ಬೆಂಬಲ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನದಿಂದ ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಲುಪಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ದ ಟೈನಿ ಗ್ರಾಜ್ಯುಯೇಟ್ಸ್. ಗೋ ಹೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶೈನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟಾರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಗಾಡ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ ಯು. ಅವಕಾಶ ಕಲಿಯಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. I would like to invite our headmistress, Sister Anita, to the stage to graciously distribute the certificate to UKGC girls. Ishal Hawa, Fatina Hamda Alim, Fatima Filza, Haina Mariam, Hamsika, Haifa Mariam, Inaya Fatima, Inaya Khan, Khatija Disha, Neha Khatija, P. Inaya, Sanvika, Shivanya, Shanza Fatima, Vivali, Via Bhaskar, Jazza Fatima, Risha R, Rachel Mia Gonsalves, Ziana Camila, here is our little graduate Devi Prasad from UKG B class sharing his experience.
Respected Principal Ma'am, teachers, staffs, and my dear friends, a very good morning to all of you. As you know, today is our farewell meet. My name is Jay Prasad of UKGB section. I thank you all for giving such a wonderful opportunity to share my thoughts about my favorite teacher Anupama ma'am and my dear friends. I never forget the fun, lessons, games and stories you told us. You made our class so fun and helped us to learn many good things every day. You have not only played the role of a good teacher, you only approach with love, affection, patience and took care as a mother. We all love you and wish you very much. Now to my friends, you all are amazing. We have shared many laughs and enjoyed together. Let's continue our journey together in the next class. I love you all. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you Devi Prasad for sharing your experience with us. Now once again I request our headmistress to come on the stage to distribute the certificates for UKGB boys. Ahmad Badawi, Ahmad Shahraz, Ayan Azharuddin Mohammed, Devi Prasad, Hatim Rihan, Litin AU, Muhammad Nabshir, Muhammad Alhan, Muhammad Shaheen Khan, Muhammad Aras. Muhammad Ayman. Muhammad Ivan Zain. Muhammad Farhan. Muhammad Hussein. Muhammad Ibrahim Shah. Muhammad Izan. Muhammad Mishari. Muhammad Shamiun. Muhammad Shibli. Pranav. Rovin Dias. Shadin Abdullah. Sherwin Sijel. Sheikh Ayan. Thank you, sister. Aisha Anabia. Aisha Irene. Fahama Fatima. Fatima Ajwa Merish. Fatima Noora. Fatima Zanha. Haiza. Hawa Zahra Ashraf. K. Hazara Alina. Hizan Afiza. Lavisha Mascarenas. Mariam Hania. Mariam Shada. Miza Nafisa. Prishal Riona Risosa. Shafa Fatima. Shazna Fatima. Prithvika H. Viona Elora Morris. Fatima Alina. Thank you, sister. Once again, I request all the dignitaries to come on.
Okay, only 2 or 3 minutes. Silent. Good morning. Say good morning. Very good. Respected Principal, Sister Anita Tracy, Supervisor, Sister Gracie Monica, PTA Vice President, Mr. Raghunatha Rai, in his absence, Chief Guest, Mr. Lancy Lewis, teachers, PTA Executive Body members, parents, and my dear children. Today is a very special and happy day for all of us, isn't it? Yes. Say yes. We are here to celebrate the graduation of our UKG children. These little stars have completed their first step in education. Dear students, when you first came to school, holding your parents' hands with fear and curiosity, now you stand here with the confidence, joy, and bright smiles. In this journey, you learned letters, numbers, stories, rhymes, drawing, crafts, and good habits. More importantly, you learned how to share, care, and how to make friends. Your laughter filled our classrooms with happiness every day. Your small achievements brought us great pride and joy. Dear children, you are the future, full of dreams and possibilities. Always be curious, kind and eager to learn. Never be afraid to ask questions and explore new things. Respect your parents and teachers. Ask blessings who guide you with the love and care. Dear parents, thank you for your support and trust in us. Your encouragement has helped these children grow beautifully. Congratulations to you. Dear Sister Anita Tracy, the principal, Sister Gracie, the supervisor, and the teachers, you deserve special appreciation for your patience and dedication. You have nurtured these young minds with love and care. Congratulations to you. Dear children and parents, shall we give them good clap? Yes. Wonderful, very good. Today we inaugurated Credo Lab, a wonderful beginning for young minds to explore, learn and grow. Credo Lab is a beautiful space where curiosity turns into creativity. Wishing great success in nurturing bright and innovative children. May Credo Lab inspire joy, learning and endless imagination. Once again, I congratulate our dear Principal Sister Anita Tracy for your initiative to begin Credo Lab. Shall we give her a hand? Yes, congratulations. As our children step into primary school, I wish them great success. Once again, I congratulate our tiny UKG graduates. Thank you and God bless us all.
Little words, two little words, two little words, not goodbye. Two little words, two little words, two little words, not goodbye. It's end of the year, graduation is here. Two little words to our teachers, moms, dads, grandparents and all. supervisor for encouraging and appreciating throughout this year. Thank you, sister. We are grateful to Mr. Raghunath Rai, PTA Vice President, and Mr. Nancy Lewis, PTA member, for all your support and encouragement. Thank you, sir. We thank our LKG and UKG teachers for their motherly care, love and guidance. Thank you, teachers. Our special thanks goes to our loving Ratna auntie and all other aunties for their care, love and kindness. Thank you. Our special thanks goes to our loving parents for being present on this special day and choosing this best school for our education. Once again, thank you one and all. Have a great day.
Those who are gathered here, our dignitaries, little children, all the graduates, very specially our parents, and special thanks to all pre-primary teachers. You have done a good job. Give them a round of applause. Claps go. And all our parents, very specially PTA members and all other parents for waiting patiently here. Thank you. God bless you all.
ಸುದ್ದಿ ಚಾನಲ್, ಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷಣದ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ